Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Kwazi.
Was that Kwazi? Did you say Kwazi?
Yeah?
And how do you spell that?
I don't really know how to spell it. I think it's something like No, that doesn't sound right. It's definitely queer for queen, right? Ooh, for umbrella.
No, darling, sorry.
No? I don't know. Okay, alright. I'll ask my mummy. My mummy will tell me. It's very long. My mummy says my name is very, very, very special. And there's no one in the world who has a name like mine. It took her a very long time.
To find your name?
Yeah.
Can you tell us about Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe? Well, I've never been to Zimbabwe, but my two best friends in the whole wide world are both from Zimbabwe. Trymore and Eddy. You know them, don't you?
Sorry, all I just work here.
Yeah, Trymore and Eddy. They're my best friends in the whole wide world. And we do everything together. Oh, but Zimbabwe is beautiful. They've told me lots and lots of things about Zimbabwe. And I want to go one day when I'm older. My mummy said, when I'm older and I'm working like she is, I can go to Zimbabwe anytime I like.
Can you speak the language there?
Trymore and Eddy are teaching me Shona.
And how do you say hello?
They taught me how to say hello. And it sounds a bit like they... Is that right?
No clue, babe, sorry.
Vape. Yeah, but I love the way that Shona sounds. They speak it all the time and I love it. I love everything about Zimbabwe. My friends are my favourite friends in the whole wide world.
So where can we find you three and when?
Well, me and Trymore and Eddy, we are going to be on Sarura Kids channel on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, that's right, YouTube, you're right, yeah. So we're going to be learning lots and lots and lots of things about Zimbabwe, about the world, about everything. So you should come and see it, it's amazing, it's brilliant. Yeah, Sarura Kids channel, yeah. There's lots and lots and lots of things to do and lots of things that we can learn together. So you should tell all your friends. Yeah, tell all your friends about Sarura Kids channel. It's amazing. I love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah, and I'm going to learn how to speak more Shona words from my friends. They teach me all the time. So we'll see you on Sarura Kids channel. Alright, bye.
Thank you very much, Kwazi. Goodbye.